Have you been searching for a perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2015 Kia Optima LX in titanium silver. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 16-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, electronic stability control, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 58,000 miles on the odometer, SIRIUSXM satellite radio, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5668A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.